Hello, family. You are welcome back to today's video, and it's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency analysis on all your favorite coins. And without further ado, today we will be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI, currently ranked at 150 with a market cap of about $185 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about 18.95 million, and today we would be looking at a huge signal which is about to flash right here for YEARN Finance. So make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so currently on the day we are down about 1.8%, and as you can see right here, we love to just have our levels which have been drawn, which we love to look at, as you can see, because we said prices always move from level to level, and especially when we got rejected right here by the 200 EMA, we said expect more downward price pressure right here for YEARN Finance. And since then we have seen YEARN Finance have this push to the downside of about 17%, and currently, as you can see, we have seen this rally to the upside. Currently we are getting rejected, right? And also if we check our volume profile, as you can see, currently we are seeing this huge indicator about to flip to the downside, right? Last time we saw this indicator flip from weak sales to strong sales. That was the beginning of our push to the downside right here for YFI. And as you can see, since then we have been having just majorly just strong sales and weak buys, right? Currently we saw some very strong buys coming in, but we were not able to sustain that, and currently we are about to flip bearish. So we should be expecting at least a minimum push to our next support level of about 5%, right? Which is at $5,347, right? So that is what we're expecting, a push just of about 5% right here for YEARN Finance, and we could see more consolidation before we see any other push to the upside. So basically that's today's update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.